In this episode, I will be talking about reality. What does reality look like? What is the structure of reality? How do you define reality? Is reality an illusion? For your entire life, if you have always perceived reality only through the physical senses or the external senses that are available to you, this video will be very eye-opening for you. First, let's talk about how we humans try to see reality or how we try to define reality. We humans have certain number of physical senses that are available to us, right? One of the physical senses that you have is your eyesight or the visual system. When you look at an object, the light reflected from the object comes into your eyes, falls on the back of the retina, and your brain processes that information. And that's how you understand what you are looking at. This is how humans and other animals see the world around them. So let's say that you are watching my video right now and you are recognizing that I'm a human being giving this presentation. If you look around, whatever you are seeing right now, whether you are seeing some objects or animals or trees or rivers or mountains, whatever you are looking at, the way you see those objects, all humans see those objects pretty much the same way. Now, the important point is to understand how we humans see objects is not the same as how other animals see the same objects. For example, when you are looking at me, you are seeing my physical entity, but you are not seeing an electromagnetic field around me, or you are not seeing any thermal energy around me. We humans are not able to see any electromagnetic field or thermal energy or ultraviolet rays. But some other animals, like snakes, can see the thermal radiation around the object, and some insects like bees or butterflies can see the ultraviolet rays. And some other animals might see the world very differently than how we human beings see the world with our eyes. Let me give you some specific examples of how we humans see the world around us and how some other animals see the same objects very differently. Here is an example of human vision versus snake vision. Snakes can see the thermal radiation 10 times better than any modern infrared technology. Here is an example of human vision versus dog vision. Here is an example of human vision versus gecko vision at night. These lizards can see 350 times better than humans at night. Here is an example of human versus fish vision. Fishes can see ultraviolet rays and also they can see everything more magnified. Here is an example of human versus bird vision. Birds can see ultraviolet rays. This one is human versus bee vision. Bees can comprehend the world 3 times faster than humans can, and also bees can see ultraviolet rays. This one is human versus shark vision. Sharks don't see any colors, but their vision underwater is much sharper than humans. This one is human versus chameleon vision. Chameleons have 360-degree vision, so they see the world very differently than how we see the world. And this one is human versus butterfly vision. Butterflies can see more colors and shades than human beings can, including ultraviolet light. So all these examples I just shared can give you some idea that how you are seeing an object or how you are seeing the world is entirely based on the spectrum of light that your eyes are sensitive to. If you genetically modify your eyes to be sensitive to infrared or UV rays or different spectrum of light, you would see the world very differently from how you are seeing it right now. So my point is that the idea you have about reality is not real. It's just your human perception. It's not the actual reality. It's a concept of reality that you have in your brain. I'd like to end this video right here. So far in this video, I just established the fact that the reality is not the way you are seeing it through your eyes. So the question is that what is the true definition of reality? Or how can you define reality? What's the true structure of reality? That's what I will be talking in the next episode. I will be giving more analysis and some advanced explanation in my next episode. So make sure to watch my next episode as well so that you can get the full picture of reality.